In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to display expired listings on your PremiumPress website. So let's get started. Firstly, log into the admin area of your WordPress website. We click on PremiumPress, we click on Settings, and we're going to go all the way down and we're going to click on Listing Settings. Now on this page, we scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see an option called Listing Expiry. Now this is how you set up the expiry options or any of the options that you want to happen to a listing once the timer runs down. So by default, these will be set to do nothing, and that will simply mean that the listing will continue to display on your website after the timer has run down. So in this example, we want to set the coupons. So as you can see in this example, we're running a coupon website. We want the coupons to display expired, but still be displayed on the website. So to do this, we need to change the status. So after the timer has run down, it's going to set the listing to set to expired. And we click on Save Settings. Now when we go to our coupons on the left hand side, if we edit any coupon, and you scroll it down, you can see on the expiry date here, this has got 7 days left. So I'm just going to use this option, click here, and it's going to change the time to the current time plus 1 minute. So you can see now we have a countdown of 48 seconds. Let's just take a note of the coupons. This is coupon 18, and I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, as you can see, this is the example one we have in our demo. This is the enjoy free shipping, which is coupon 18, and it currently has 30 seconds left on the expiry time. So if we just watch this countdown very quickly, what should happen is that the listing will continue to be displayed even after the timer has run down. Okay, so the timer has run down. Let's give the page a quick refresh. You can see the listing is expired. Give it a refresh. Okay, and as you can see, the listing has now disappeared. So why did that happen? Why is the listing now gone? Well, you see, if we go back to the admin area, click on listings, we can see in the admin, this has now been set up correctly. The listing has been displayed as expired, which is correct, and it's still not displaying on our website. And this reason is because under settings, under the search settings, we need to turn this option called show expired. So if we turn this option on, we go to the bottom, save settings, and now we give the website a refresh. You can see the coupon has now reappeared and it's been displayed as expired. So this is a great way of managing coupons that have expired, because now I can see in the admin area, I can use the options to view expired coupons. So I can see the coupon is expired and it's still visible on the website for users to display. Now again, if I wanted to turn off the display of expired coupons, I can just go back to settings, search settings, and again at any time just untick the show expired, save the settings, and now it will go back to the default option where all expired coupons are hidden. So that's it. That's how you set up expired coupons or expired listings on your PremiumPress theme. Thanks for watching.